do this. Are you ready? Yeah.
Big movement.
It's Friday, and I took the day off so I could hang out with my little guys. One of them is back home taking a nap. It is the afternoon. It is a beautiful day. And where are we going, Russell?
You tell them.
We are going to do some chisel plowing for a local farmer friend of ours. I just said, hey, you guys need anything done? Are you up for a ride along, tag along? And they asked if we wanted a deep band. So we are gonna go deep band with a chisel plow and a cart and have some fun doing it, aren't we? We'll be there soon. Activity everywhere. There's a John Deere combine. What kind of tractor is that, Russell?
Oh,
A case. Pulling a track grain cart with a case combine over there. Here, I'll let you hold the camera and talk to everybody. Turn it towards yourself and say something.
Did it.
You did what? Digging it?
Tillage it.
Tilling it?
Yeah, I'll call it that.
Yeah, like a tillage tool.
Yeah. There.
There's the man of the hour.
Oh wow, that's a what?
Okay, we gotta put your hat on, okay? You're sporting the American flag colors there on that hat.
Oh.
And good old Red Eat.
How did it go?
Well, you can tell us.
So
got
this will say
right
bin
there.
4. And when it says bin 4 low, that's when this, since there's nothing going through.
Okay.
Hey, what is this for?
That's the shaft to make this turn. So that one is shut, Matt. So
Okay.
after
So you
this
guys-
runs out, then I want you to open this up to
this
that.
one's full.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, sure, it's wore through. These tiny little screws help hold this hose in, but as you can see on that hose, it's getting worn. That's normal. So this is what it looks like when it's out of the ground.
We're going about 6 miles an hour.
You might actually have time to do something instead of just fight weather
Oh,
and mud and
yeah.
equipment. You bumped your head?
Did he hit his head?
Mwah.
Oh, honey.
That's okay. Are you gonna die? Did you break your head?
No.
Okay. Right here we got a Cat Challenger tractor. This thing's pretty sweet. All right, let's go. Let's do this. Yeah.
Big movement.
Well, we're doing a good job here. We're just getting to the headland. So I gotta shut this thing off. Shut the controller off. Click up.
Where's the guy with?
And do the big light bulb move turn.
Dad.
There we go.
Daddy.
And do the auto guidance. And we are seeding, or we are fertilizing again.
Why are you going so slow, Dad?
Oh, we gotta pump it up again. Had to slow down a little there. So far so good. Dane got us set up. And it's happening. We got this red light on here that's showing that our meter's turning. Product is flowing. Here's the speed on the monitor, but our fan is right here, right around 4,900 RPM.
The one that's driving the combine.
You want to drive a combine? It's right there. There's a combine. Here's our auto guidance. Every color machine needs a John Deere something in it, right? Well, we're getting to the end here. Now, let's go check the level of the fertilizer in the tank. Yeah, look at those bogeys. Come on. Well, we've done about 20-30 acres. I should have shut the fan off, but I'm just going to check how full the fertilizer is. That one's empty. Yeah, so quite a bit of fertilizer is still in there. We'll shut that fan off. Let the tractor cool down. We got to run to Bible study tonight. And so that's what we're going to do the rest of the night. But we really appreciate the opportunity to drive this tractor. Thanks to Dane Larson, Dane and Colin, and Larson Farms. Shut the system off. Let's go up on the tank and check inside the tank this time. What a beautiful sunset. I know the farmers that have to drive this stuff all the time probably get sick of driving it. Boy, you can't beat that. Really glad I had my buddy with me. That's a real treat. I don't miss out on my time with my son. My other son is a little younger, so we'll have him out another day. Oh, there's lots of fertilizer in there yet.
Oh, how does it get in there? Yeah.
You fill it with this auger, or a truck comes and fills it. There's quite a bit of fertilizer left. I know if I could, I'd stay and run it out, but what's incredible about these tanks right here, this is a Fargo Aire, which was the original Concord guys. And then they sold out to Case, but then Case discontinued certain lines and certain drills. So Fargo Aire, the original Concord guys, picked up the line again, started producing it, but they made the tanks in stainless. Well, we've made a business out of fixing John Deere Case Flexi-coil carts, putting stainless on those. These ones you don't have to worry about. These ones they never rot out. They're really simple too, but no corrosion here. Even a stainless chain, stainless shafts. Still in really good condition. Like I said, we're out of here. Just really enjoyed the time. Enjoyed the sunset. Can you say thank you?
Thank you. Daddy,
all right.
Daddy, can this pull in our air car?
Yeah, I can pull a trailer. All right. Catch you on the flip side. We're out. Thanks, guys. All right. We'll do it together.